Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I want to show you how to install the RMP suite into the Metatrader. First go to the website and download an installation. Click to download RMP. Save file, and when you have downloaded it, look where it is and then go to setup. I have it here on the desktop already. Run as administrator and select the language. Pre-selection is English. And then look in which of your Metatrader installations you want to install it. Search for it. Maybe you have already an account. Then click the account and say next, and the setup will be done. I have already installed it. So when you open your Metatrader, you will have here this expert advisors, RMP, hedge, brother, starter, everything. So open a chart, right click, chart window, and then pull the RMP into the chart window. You have to make some adjustments. I let it like it is, say OK, and then start the program, and you are already trading. You can also change the language. You can change the language here in the settings. You see English, OK, save it as template. So you have it also always in English. And then it's start program, close all trades, exit program, and so on. This is in other further courses. This was how to install the RMP suite into Metatrader. Have fun until the next video. When you have questions, fill up the contact form, and I will answer you as soon as possible. Bye bye.